My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Skoda Kodiaq. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control. On the right, we have our assist systems, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include smartphone integration, navigation, Skoda Connect and SmartLink. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control. And if we press our mode button, we can switch between our 6 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim, and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.